Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Angelo White, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where everything is live, raw, and uncut. I'm just chilling today, walking along the river, enjoying. So I hope everyone is enjoying as well. I'm gonna walk to that bridge. See the bridge up there? Just gonna walk to the bridge and just chill out, see what's happening. Some big fish in there. So yeah, basically I'm chilling. Um, so do you mind walking with me to the bridge? Let's have a little adventure. Come on. Oh, so yeah, let's go look at that though. Almost to the bridge. So this is the Missouri River. So basically, it's really beautiful. But again, I want to walk across the bridge. Just walk on it a little bit and just see, what's up. I'll show you guys as soon as I get over there. I'm almost there right now. Really, really awesome. Really relaxing and really relaxing and really everything. You just have to enjoy your life. Stress free, worry free, everything, all of it. I'm enjoying life in the name of Jesus. And I'm telling you that one. Period. All right, approaching the bridge. That's a really cool bridge. And I've walked like so far already. All right, almost there. Let me see a little bit more up there. Oh, something like a river. It smells like a river. Let me guess, because there's a river right there. Then here's all the historical monuments and whatnot. Here's all the historical monuments and things like that. So, all right, entering the bridge right now. Going on a little adventure with me. I do adventures all the time. All the time. I'm on an adventure right now, matter of fact. This is like a fucking railroad trestle. I mean, railroad ties. Good wood, though. It's a nice and sturdy bridge. I feel safe on it. It's real nice. So basically, I made it to the bridge. I'm on the bridge, and we can just look out on the water. How about it? Wow. It's another bridge right there, but that's a different bridge. Like you gotta drive across that one. I'm on a walking bridge. Like basically, I'm on a walking bridge. Like um, where you can only walk on like no vehicle. Basically, so this is really nice. River monsters in that motherfucker. You already know that. Go in there fucking around if you want to. Nice benches and stuff. I think I'm turning around and get back to my hotel. Cause cause things out here. So, I don't know. Bugs. Ugh. Hate bugs. Walking off of the bridge.